We know a lot about learning science, and learning science has informed us about time on task. It's informed us about repetition intervals for learning. It's informed us about the biology of learning. These things really matter and deserve to be engineered into courses. On the faculty side, we know a lot about a faculty and their skills. We know a lot about the content of their courses, and we know quite a bit about their learning objectives. And it seems to me that knowing that set of information compels us to face the challenge we have of engineering a great learning outcome based on these resources and these constraints. And it seems to me it's an engineering problem, not unlike building a building, where you have building materials and architectural goals and space goals. So we at Harvard Extension School are trying to articulate that engineering discipline and that function with a number of our peers, because we think, even though it sounds like a fantasy, that if we can get even close to turning learning science and learning opportunities into engineered learning outcomes, we can dramatically improve the learning experience and lower the cost for each of our learners. So we have built a learning engineering organization, and that organization is dealing with our faculty and training our faculty, and they've learned one really important thing. We used to go in with instructional designers and help tell a teacher how to teach. Instead, we changed our approach to say we are going to produce faculty for learning success in the modes in which our students can learn. And that was our beginning of a foray into learning engineering, and it's empowered us as a group to say we are not replacing faculty with technology. We are using technology to enhance faculty's effectiveness and hopefully to engineer great learning outcomes. The missing piece is a system of metrics that will let us know when we're succeeding. So we're also working with our development group to build data capture into all of our delivery modes, be it web conference, lecture capture, hybrid learning weekends, regular classroom, so that we can get more data on how our students are actually choosing to integrate all of those pieces, so we can get better understanding of the tolerances of learning for different students in different modes. I think if we and our peers do that well, we can articulate a new discipline called learning engineering.